Hi everyone, today I will show you how to install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop in a very fast and easy way. First, open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type YouTube. Open the official YouTube website from the search result. You will see the YouTube homepage in your browser. Now, click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the browser. Move your mouse down and you will see the option Install YouTube. Click on Install and wait a few seconds. The YouTube app will be installed on your PC successfully. Now press Open and the YouTube app will start running like a normal application. That's it. This is how you can easily install the YouTube app on your PC.